Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina and today we're gonna do the 3-marker challenge. So today we're quarantined because the virus and we're gonna try to make some more videos for you. Well, we're gonna be using these cute bird houses as you can see and markers. Well, I have a guest coming over today. It's somebody who begins with an M. And it's my mom. Here she is.
Hi guys, I'm Katiria and we're gonna be making the 3-marker challenge.
And we're gonna do it on birdhouses today.
So we're gonna pick 3 colors each. We have to close our eyes and pick the colors. So Valentina, do you want to go first?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. This is a dark blue. I think it's navy blue.
I think it's the purple that I picked last time.
Oh wow, now I have it.
Okay.
Okay. This one. Purple. Oh, they match.
Yes, those
I
are
think
cute.
I'm gonna pick matching colors. Oh.
Now the last one.
Okay. Oh. Over here. Ooh, they match! They match! They match!
Okay, now I'm going to pick.
I can't.
I got a purple also.
Yes, but mine is lighter. And hers is a little bit darker than mine.
Black? Okay, black is okay.
You can do the outline with black.
And like a peachy.
Oh,
pink.
I got that to color my bunnies right there
Oh.
when I was coloring.
So my 3 colors are purple, black, and peachy pink.
It's not really peachy pink. It's just a reddish pink. The top is like a peachy pink, but when you color with it, it's actually like a red color.
Okay, so it's red. And Valentina got?
I think I got turquoise or teal. I got purple, and I think I got navy blue with this one. Navy blue.
Okay, so let's start. I don't know what are you gonna do? What are you gonna draw?
Oh, I don't know yet, but I think I can start with something.
That sounds nice.
I think I'm gonna start with something and then create it.
Yeah, I don't know either. I'm just gonna
Do it all around.
yes. So let's
Let's
start.
start. I like mine because the top and the swirls and spirals I did. I tried my best on it. I couldn't think of anything for the sides or for the front or the back. So I just doodled around and tried to do something.
For mine, I use shapes, circles, triangles, squares, and it's a really dark house, but it's so like spring and perfect. Those colors are great. I don't know if a bird will like a dark house, but they both look so cute.
Hope you guys like this tutorial. If I hope you like and subscribe and comment down below and give us a thumbs up.
Thank you for watching.